In this video, we're going to walk you through how you can create a game pass so that you can receive donations, and please donate. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. And as you can see, I already have several donation buttons up here, all set up using game passes. I'll show you how to create one too. Begin by exiting out of Roblox and heading to the official Roblox website. At the top of the page, you're gonna wanna hit create, just like so, and this is gonna take you to the creator hub. It should look something like this for you. Now what you'll wanna do is go ahead and hit this creations tab right here, and under my experiences, go ahead and find a public experience that you own. If you don't have any, simply create a new one. Go ahead and open it up and then scroll down just a little bit until you find the monetization tab. Find passes on here and open this up. Go ahead and click create a pass, and from here you can change the picture of your pass, but the most important part is actually changing the name to something like another new pass. Go ahead and update the description as well if you would like, and then hit create pass and find the new pass that you might have created right here and click on it. This is going to open up the exact same page, except on this time you're going to want to go to sales and tick on this section that says item for sale. From here, put the price to something like 5 to 15 Robux is what I would recommend, and hit save changes. Just remember, Roblox is going to take a cut. So say you put like 150 Robux, right? You're going to receive a portion of that. You get 105 because Roblox takes around 30%. After you hit save changes, you'll need to go ahead and relaunch Roblox. Once you relaunch Roblox, find please donate and relaunch that as well. And then go ahead and reclaim your stand. Run up to it, go ahead and hit E. And as you can see, your pass is going to show up on here. So now I have this pass, and this pass, just like so. But yeah, it really is as easy as that. If you have any questions, let us know down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.